Alexandra Maria, what are you wearing?
What I'm wearing black turtleneck.
I love it. That's sort of so classic. Who's it by?
Sorry.
Who made it?
I guess it's from Zara.
Amazing. Trousers?
Trousers, I guess from Zara as well. It's like super simple, but like with like some elements that I really like. It's not that, I don't know, obvious.
Is
It's-
it
make it
like
different.
It's like a motorbike leather pant.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah,
Kind of rocky.
yeah.
Did you, growing up as a ballerina, was it all polo necks?
Um,
I'm a great polo neck person myself. In winter, it's just I wear polo necks. It's the best. I don't like having a cold neck. Do you?
no, like I hate when I'm cold. So
That's right.
Yeah.
We're skinny. We have to dress up. Is that it? Shoes.
shoes. What about shoes? It's Steve Madden. It's
Grab them.
Okay, we get them.
All right.
Cool. Do you want me to show them?
Yes, please. Shoes.
We got the shoes in here.
There are loafers based on the classic Gucci loafer.
Yeah.
Steve Madden's good apparently because they do big sizes for big feet. Is that right?
That's true.
I know this shit. Fantastic.
Yeah, so yeah, that's super simple and black bag, which is
Here's the bag.
yeah.
Who-
black bag.
That's
You-
it. You're so classic.
Yeah, totally. I am. That's the bag. Black with like some element
Tassel?
here. Sorry.
It's a tassel. These are
Yeah.
called tassels.
Okay.
I think.
I didn't know.
Yeah. And it's from Guess.
Yeah, it's from Guess.
Okay, so take me through how much it would cost. Top,
I don't really remember.
not
like,
less than $20.
yeah, maybe yeah, a little more like $20 maybe.
Trousers,
Maybe like 30. I don't know.
shoes.
40?
40 again?
Yeah.
And bag.
100?
It's
Yeah.
all about the bag.
No, 150.
It's all about the bag, babe.
Yeah.
The bag is adds
get
up to
it.
everything else.
True.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. That's it.